Please be sure to click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel so we can share our latest content with you. Here's a new feature, and I'm going to give a word of caution because we have not had a chance to test this thoroughly, so I'm not endorsing this new feature. We do have Wi-Fi capability on the E550, 350, and 250 phones. All the 50 series phones have a Wi-Fi capability, which means theoretically, I no longer need a data plug going into a data port. I can get on the corporate Wi-Fi and I can use my phone wirelessly. Again, I'm not endorsing this yet. We have not had a chance to test this. We just got these devices in a few days ago. I'll have another update on that in a video down the road. So don't take this for granted as a reliable, high quality feature yet. That remains to be seen. Notice that these new phones no longer have, we've lost our toggle switch. Not sure why. The call cancels or hangs up via, I'm assuming, some type of a magnetic piece that's embedded in the phone. But again, we don't have the toggle anymore. So for those of you that remember the old lifter sets and whatnot, it's not going to be necessary with the new Poly phones. Not sure if that's a good or bad thing. It's just part of the phone evolution. We still have some backwards compatibility. I can daisy chain my device through a computer if I'm low on data ports. I can use an RJ9 plug for an old-fashioned wired headset if I want to go that route. Works perfectly fine. This is, of course, the analog port for my handset, but I've got all the necessary ports that I still need. If you're in an environment that still requires, or if your environment does require a power adapter, your power adapter plugs in right here in that port. Some other updates of note with this E-series. You do have a USB port, but if we take a look at this, this is not the old USB-A. This is the newer USB-C port. So if you're like me, I'm sure you've got a lot of USB-A type devices out there. You may want to get an adapter. You want one anyway. So if you get an A to C adapter, you can still use that device. So you could upload things like contact lists or other pieces of information for your directory in the phone. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, not only with recommendations, but if you need any type of training or setup assistance, we're here. Thank you, and have a great day.